Today and every day, we honor our veterans, worthy individuals who gave their best when called to serve and protect our country. We thank you, Pavlia, for your unselfish service in preserving our freedoms, our safety, and our country's heritage. We thank you for the hardships you faced, the sacrifices you made, and your many contributions to America's victories over tyranny and oppression. We respect you, we thank you, we honor you, and we are proud of you, and all those who gave so much for us. At this time, I invite family to share any memories of Pavlia's service in the Army.
Sure, I can say about that. Yeah. So my dad was beginning in 1962. So he served for American CIA during the Vietnam War in Laos.
Oh, wow.
And he was trained in Hue Hin, Thailand for about 9 months. That's when he began working with. He was assigned as a team jump, and then he dropped ammunition and food on the C-47 for troops and for civilian. And then he became a company commander in 1967 in Laos during the Vietnam War. Later on, he became promoted to a battalion commander, which is command like 500 troops, and from 69 to 1973. At the end of the 1975, when the communists took over Laos. So he was a very important person, served during this heavily fighting for during the Vietnam War. Yes. And maybe I should state his he was ranked as a major, so military commander and major in the army.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
that's amazing. I now have a poem named Beatitudes of American Servicemen and Women. Would you like to read it?
Sure. Blessed are you who pledge allegiance to the flag, for it reminds us to honor our country. Blessed are you who listen to the call of your heart to serve, for your choice has enduring impact. Blessed are you who persevered through training and discipline, for the hard work shaped the mission. Blessed are you who endure the goodbyes, the loneliness of separation, so we can live in serenity with our loved ones. Blessed are you who labored for the greater good, for the sacrifice is a lesson in service. Blessed are you who stood in the face of dangers and feared so that we may rest in security and peace. Blessed are you who considered your fellow servicemen and women above yourself, and for we see in an ideal of true love. Blessed are you who must stand in the wake of injuries, traumatic memories, and grief for your daily courage as a badge of honor. Blessed are you who selflessly served our country, for it allows each citizen the opportunities afforded under our Constitution. And blessed are you who surrendered all. You are our heroes.
So Pavlia, we thank you for your service to our nation and for the sacrifices you and your family made. You endured hardships and risked your life to preserve our freedom. On behalf of Accent Care, please accept our thanks and gratitude. When you see the certificate and pin, know that your service is deeply appreciated. So I will pin him, and do you want to show the certificate?
Sure. We have a certificate for him.
Thank you very
We
much.
are deeply appreciative of his service and all that he sacrificed for our country.
Placing this pin on you, Pavlia. Is it okay if I put it through the material?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Please. Okay.
also present you with a piece of the American flag, and it says, "I am part of our American flag, which has flown over the USA. I can no longer fly. The sun and winds caused me to become tattered and torn. Please carry me as a reminder that you are not forgotten." So that is with you as well. I'll place that there. And then we have a poem in closing, which, let's see, which is entitled Heroes. Would you like to read it? If you want.
Heroes. In war, there are lives risked and lives taken. Men and women giving their best to defend what they love. They defend their country, their honor, their people. Some call them soldiers, others call them heroes. Our veterans have risked their lives for us. They have lived through hell and fought with honor. Many have killed and regret doing so. For every life there is a soul. For every soul there is a life. For those who have died, we show great appreciation and remembrance. For those who live, along with them, live horrific memories of battle. Some memories of defeat, some memories of victory. Our veterans were more than soldiers. They were and still are heroes. Sorry. I'm an Air Force veteran of 16 years, so I get tearful when I do these ceremonies, so I broke on that one and stuff like that, so sorry, but what an honor to be there for that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And also, I was a major in the Air Force, and I would appreciate it if you would like to have the last salute that I can render to your father.
Yes.
Thank you. What an honor.
Thank you all.
Thank you all for the honor. For my life.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate
Mean a lot.
it.
Yeah, mean a lot to us.
Yes.
To him. to us.
Veterans are very important. That's
Yes.
why everything we say is meaningful. And I
Yes.
get tearful. So.
Yes.
Yeah, very meaningful. I appreciate it.
We
I love
appreciate
the
it.
American flag. That was the first time we've seen that in the bed, and
Oh.
it's been really,
Yes. Thank
really
you.
a great thing for you all to see
Yes.
and honor.
Yes.
So I appreciate that. And I love meeting your veterans and their families. So thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.